Hello students, let's simplify this algebraic expression. Y square z in the numerator. So we'll have y times z, and denominator is 2 times y cube, which is y times y divided by 9z raised to power 5 divided by 8y raised to power 4. So these y gets cancelled with the y's in the denominator. So we have z upon 2y divided by 9z raised to power 5 divided by 8y raised to power 4. These are two fractions. In fraction division, we'll keep the numerator as is and switch the division sign to multiplication sign, and will take the reciprocal or inverse the denominator. So that's going to be 8y raised to power 4 divided by 9z raised to power 5. So this is going to be z times 8 times y raised to power 4 can be written as y times y times y times y divided by 2 times y times 9 times z raised to power 5 can be written as z times z times z times z times z. Now here we can cancel this y in the numerator from the y in the denominator and z in the numerator from z in the denominator. These are all the variables. Now we'll see the constants. So this is 2 times 1 and 2 times 4 is 8. So we have 4 times y cube in the numerator, and in the denominator we'll have 9 z raised to power 4. This is our final expression after simplifying. So this is how we simplify algebraic expressions. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.